Are you feeling burnt out or anxious or just depressed, lack of motivation? These are strange times that we're going through right now.
Indeed, I think we can all feel it. This exponentially increasing what I call VUCA times, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous. We feel it outside of us, and we can also feel it inside of us, the sense of scatteredness and disarray. Yeah,
Yeah, and that is really the energy of Shiva and Shakti, which has gone out of balance within us and outside in our world. Because Shiva is that stillness, that seed of consciousness. And then Shakti is that movement, that creativity, that energy that is within all of us. But when it goes out of balance, we start feeling these different symptoms.
absolutely. So, this is really about skillful living through mastering that state of being and also the doing with effortless ease, maximum joy, and impact. And this retreat, we will explore some very powerful modalities, some ancient principles from the mothership of wellness in India, which you're an expert of, Ayurveda, the science of life. And I'll bring in modalities from yoga and my mentoring practices that allow us to really go into how we can harness this energy that we have. That when it's honed, it's like the rays of the sun. Scattered is brilliant, but when you actually focus it and becomes so potent it can burn dry leaf and paper, that's the invitation here. So we leave this retreat truly transformed with mastering our Shiva Shakti energies.
Exactly. So during the retreat, we're going to be doing different practices, we're going to be doing different workshops where you're going to be experiencing this balance within you. So by the end of the retreat, you feel centered, you feel inspired, you feel resilient. And these different types of principles that we use in Ayurveda and yoga, they are very powerful because this is something that we've both been working on.
Absolutely. And also the scene and setting is so beautiful. The community that's going to come together, the meals, there's going to be rest, relaxation, real beautiful connection with people. And together we'll co-create an experience that will truly leave us, in that union state of cohesiveness and alliance. So we leave the retreat that much more potent and that much more centered.
And something else I want to add in, this is a really auspicious time, the date, August 21st to 23rd, because this is really a potent time of Shiva Shakti energy. So you want to take advantage of that time to work on yourself and create higher consciousness, create higher frequencies within you.
Indeed, and we're also launching this on the night of Shivaratri. So it's a very auspicious invitation. So if it feels aligned for you and you feel the calling, come join us.
Absolutely.
The
Looking
link will be
forward to
below.
seeing everyone.
Yeah. See you soon.
Thank you.